Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen T-roc STY PL 1.0 TSI M6F 110 HP in eye-catching red. This stunning Estatejeep boasts a 1-litre engine, manual transmission, and a host of comfort and safety features for a smooth ride every time. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Plus, with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer's specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us today or visit Audi.